here to listen and to talk to you, and you aren't going to give me a chance.
I would like to know if you have some kind of catcher's event in this bill for the people that at this time we have to go bankrupt or hand over all their assets to relatives or the state in order to obtain proper health care.
A way that we can get in touch with her, and we'll get you some information on that. That's a great question, folks. Over here. We have to call.
Come on, Michael. Hey. I would think you'd want to talk to me, probably. I'm first base.
What you have done, we appreciate you all being here very much. We'll do more of these.
Where's his man? Michael Arcuri, shame on you! Shame on you! Get back out here and talk to me! I sat here very quietly, I listened to what was being said, and he wouldn't even ask me a question.
He didn't ask a lot of questions, sir. He didn't ask a lot of people. He didn't get everything.
I forced this. I forced him to have this town hall. At the train meeting in Utica, he was going to have a teleconference. That's all he was going to do.
He already had that, sir.
He had the teleconference after the train meeting. Okay, I'm not a big fan of the OD anyways, Bub.
I'm not with the OD. Sir, I'm not with the OD. I just want to get a quick interview with you. Sir,
Why are you interviewing this guy?
because I want to... Sir, I just want to ask you a couple of questions. You seem pretty Sir, you seem pretty...
Yeah, you want to know the questions I had for Michael Arcuri?
I do.
Okay, let's do this.
Okay, he's been on TV too much.
Yeah.
I want to be on.
All right,
let me be on.
Hey!
Here you go.
Officer, this guy just hit me.
I want to be on.
Officer!
Okay? Sure.
This guy just slapped me.
This bullshit going there. Yeah.
This guy just slapped me right here. Where'd my notes go? You just slapped me and you stole my notes. Okay.
I don't
I
have
want to
your
press
notes.
charges on this guy.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I don't have his
Thank
notes.
you.
There, see?
Why would Michael Arcuri not ask me any questions? He knows who I am. I was the one that forced this issue. We all know that.
Don't you have a 10-minute appointment with our officer next week?
I wanted the questions answered in front of people. Things like, there's no health care for illegal. If nobody's asking them if they're illegal, everybody gets health care, right?
But they don't know because
No, don't do it. Don't patronize me. Number two is, you have a lawyer talking about tort reform. How can that happen?
Excuse me, there's no need to yell at this lady.
I'm not. I'm passionate. I'm not yelling at you.
You are. You are. You don't need to yell at her. You don't need to yell at her.
I know it's hard. Deep breath. I'm right here. I'm listening. And I know. It's okay.
Okay? No, please don't patronize me, okay? My wife knows after 30 years.
I'm not.
Number one question. If nobody's asking if people are illegal, how can you say it?
They don't have those sorts of... Don't you have to give like a social security number?
You don't have to give anything. I mean, it is illegal in some states in the Southwest to even ask for a cop, to ask if somebody is an illegal immigrant. How are we going to know if they're legal or not? We're going to cover them. We're going to cover them, of course, because you can't ask.
All right.
Number two, you have a lawyer speaking on tort reform. Isn't that a problem? Considering that the lawyers run 75% of Congress. 75% of Congress is lawyers. Does anybody really expect any honest tort reform? Okay? The healthcare costs going up. 50% of that is attributed to new technology. The things that are making us all better. That's why healthcare goes up, because we have MRIs, we have CAT scans, we have PET scans. We have all kinds of things. You know, for him not to even ask me a question, I think was amazingly gutless. You know, I mean, we